VTech presents you with the 5 handsets super long-range answering system with smart call blocker and lets you enjoy the latest in telephone technology. Here are the simple steps to set up the telephone system. To connect the telephone base, you will need the base, the telephone line cord, and the power adapter. First, plug the telephone line cord and power cord to the jacks firmly. Fit the wires with the slots on the surface. Then plug the power adapter to a power supply and the telephone line cord to a telephone wall jack. If you subscribe to a digital subscriber line high-speed internet service through your telephone line, make sure you connect a DSL filter with it. Now, raise the antenna on the base. This will ensure you always receive the best long-range coverage and clarity. To connect the chargers, you will need the chargers and the power adapters. Connect the power cord with the charger and fits it firmly on the slot. Then, plug the power adapter to the power supply. Repeat these steps with all chargers and locate them in your designated locations. To install and charge the handsets, you will need the cordless handsets, their back covers and the batteries. Install the battery to the back of the cordless handset. Make sure you see this side up on the battery. Then, close the back cover of the cordless handset. Complete this step to all handsets. Then, put the cordless handset onto the base or the charger to charge. You will see a red light indicate that the handset is charging. It takes 12 hours for the handset to fully charge. Now, you are ready to use the telephone system. If you would like to mount the telephone base onto the wall, watch how to mount the telephone base on the wall. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the VTech support channel or check out our other videos to keep watching.